ये है देहरादून इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी। दून और मसूरी के बीच बसी वन ऑफ इंडियाज टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज। बस यही से मेरी कहानी की शुरुआत होती है। ये एजुकेशन भी ना बड़ी कमाल की चीज है। मिल जाए तो बेड़ा पार, और जब तक ना मिले लगे रहो यार। जब आप पहली बार यहां आते हो, आपको रियलाइज नहीं होता कि दिस प्लेस इज सो बिग। Thousands of students, hundreds of teachers, all the awards, recognitions. Honestly कहूं,
TIT was only an option for me. But when I saw the campus for the first time, the mountains, serenity, I just fell in love with TIT.
There is just something special about this place that helps you be yourself. If you love nature, peace, having a meaningful conversation beside the campfire, the earth is gonna be enchanting for you.
A lot is happening within you as a person during your college years, and this place, it somehow just brings a balance and calm within and allows you to be focused and involved with everything around.
आप में से काफी लोग शायद रिलेट ना कर पाए, पर जब आप एक छोटे शहर के अनजान स्कूल से ऐसी किसी नई जगह पर कदम रखते हो और आपको इंस्टेंटली एट होम फील होता है, तब मान लो कि भाई कुछ तो स्पेशल है। I don't know if it was the red raw bricks, the big windows, or the ways the buildings were named, but कुछ ही देर में मेरे सवालों की जगह ख्यालों ने ले ली।
I think the overall process of education over the last 10-15 years has been more about imparting information that doesn't really make somebody much more than an Alexa. While you really can't change the system, what DIT can do for you is keep that curiosity alive, just keep that kida alive in you.
If you're dependent on someone to always show you what to do, then you will always be restricted by their time and willingness. But if you're enthusiastic and love to experiment, then there are labs, facilities, and workshops where you can create something new and can collaborate with other disciplines.
If you have the passion and the courage to do what it takes, the university will definitely provide you a platform. It won't necessarily spoon feed you, but yes, it will provide you with all the necessary facilities and amenities to help you reach your goal.
For a teacher, it's so satisfying to see the kind of entrepreneurship and innovation in his or her students. Sure, we have to be strict with them and we can't let them know. But actually, हमारे मन में लड्डू फूट रहे होते हैं.
I think we have really good faculty that we actually get to know outside the four walls of the classroom. After all, it's never about the kuan, right? It's always about the pyasa.
आपकी स्टूडेंट लाइफ का सबसे हार्ड टू डिफाइन डे होता है प्लेसमेंट्स। सारे लोग ऐसी जोरदार तैयारी कर रहे होते हैं कि पेट की गुड़ गुड़ रिदम देने लगती है, जिस पे दिल भाई साहब नॉस्टैल्जिया वाली ट्यून्स बजाने लगता है, और कुछ ही पलों में दुनिया आपको पहचान देने वाली होती है।
Every year, over 100 companies recruit our students across discipline. Recently, dream companies like Amazon, Adobe, Hike, and core companies like HCL, Ashok Leyland, etc. were excited to discover talent we have here. And just last year, one of our students was offered 25 lakhs per annum from Amazon. That's something that fills me with satisfaction and pride.
When a student seeks admission in DIT University, I always keep in mind that what best we can give to make him a different citizen. And in that context, whatever is to be done, all those processes go in that direction. And we do see that it gives us the dividends, the results in the form of creating the beautiful minds from this campus.
I come from a very modest background, and in that world, opportunities to rise बहुत कम होते हैं. It doesn't matter how big a package you get, but what matters is the feeling when you get recognized. आप जो चाहे बोल सकते हो, कमेंट और ट्रोल कर सकते हो, but the fact is, I'm a living example of how this institution is a platform for those who want to fly.
देखते ये रास्ते, निहारती ये खिड़कियाँ, सांस भर पहचान ले तुझसे शुरू ये कहानियाँ। हर ओर ये जो शोर है उसे धड़कनों की धुन बना, क्या ढूंढता है हर जगह खुद ही से तू है लापता।